Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to fix Mozilla Firefox not responding, freezing, crashing and hanging issues. Once able to fix this issue, don't forget to watch tips to avoid Mozilla Firefox not responding problem in future. Before we start this guide, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Let's start with fix 1, remove add-on. To fix your browser, remove any add-on that you have added recently, as some add-ons can manipulate the inner processes of the Firefox. Such add-ons can also add to your browser automatically without your knowledge. These malicious add-ons can cause Firefox not responding error. Try to find and remove those add-ons. To remove add-ons, click on main menu of the Firefox and go to add-ons. Here you can see the list of add-ons which has been added to this Firefox browser. You need to click on this 3-dot icon and click on remove. Now you can see that add-ons has been removed from here. Before we head to fix 2, do check our recommended tools and products in the description for trouble-free PC experience and maximum productivity. Let's move to fix 2. That is clear cache, cookies and site data. Click on the main menu of the Firefox, go to options. You have to click on privacy and security here. Now scroll down to cookies and site data. Here you can see the cookies and site data section. You just need to click on clear data. A small pop-up will appear. Here you can see written that clearing all cookies and site data stored by Firefox may sign you out of website and remove offline web content. Clearing cache data will not affect your logins. You just need to click on clear. As you can see, cookies and site data has been cleared. Now check if your problem has been fixed. If your problem has not been fixed, move to fix 3, that is enable profile folder access right. To access the profile folder, you just need to press Windows key and R key together. As you can see, run box has been opened. You just need to type %appdata %/Mozilla /Firefox /profiles /. This command will open the profile folder. As you can see here, 3 folders. Most of the cases you will see only one folder. In this case, you have to right click on the oldest folder and click on properties. Here you can see under general tab, under attributes, here you can see that read only is selected. If read only is selected, you need to uncheck it and you need to apply the changes. Now click on OK. Now your Firefox should be working without error. If you're still getting error, move to fix 4, disable hardware acceleration. To disable hardware acceleration, you just need to click on main menu of the Firefox and go to options. Under options, you need to click on general. As you can see, we are under general. You need to scroll down to performance. As you can see, this is the performance section. Here you can see use recommended performance setting checked. You need to uncheck it. As you will uncheck it, another option will appear, that is use hardware acceleration when available. You need to uncheck it as well. You have disabled the hardware acceleration. If you are still having Mozilla Firefox not responding issue, then we will have to refresh the Firefox browser as an ultimate solution. So fix 5 is refresh the Firefox browser. Mozilla Firefox offers a smart option to solve issues. It is called the refresh option. You can consider this as a quick fix. It restores all settings to default and delete any customization made to the browser by the user. To refresh the Firefox browser, you just need to click on the main menu and go to help. Under help, you need to click on troubleshooting information. As you can see, a new tab has been opened and on top right corner you can see refresh Firefox. You just need to click on refresh Firefox. A new window has been opened. You can see start fresh to fix problems and restore performance. This will remove your add-ons and customizations, restore browser settings to their defaults. You need to click on refresh Firefox. As you can see, your Firefox has been refreshed like new. Success, you can see here, success. Hopefully your problem has been resolved. If you still having this issue, then possible cause could be your PC hardware need an upgrade. If your RAM is very low in your system, then it could be the reason for this error. You should consider upgrading your system RAM. If you are using a dedicated graphics card, then check for its driver update and update it as well. Now time for tips to avoid Firefox not spawning problem in future. When we use any application or electronics devices, then we may get some trouble occasionally, but we can avoid it happening frequently by following a few best practices, tune-ups and tweaks. You should always keep your Firefox browser updated, clear cache and cookies occasionally, and avoid visiting risk potential website, and do not just add any add-ons without verifying its risk potential. Keep your operating system updated. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions and suggestions, drop them below and share this useful video with your friends. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. Your likes and comments motivate us to create such videos. Press the bell button to receive notification for new videos on Windows tips and tricks, troubleshooting and productivity hacks. Thank you.